Hi, myself Shreyas. Today I am going to present on my assignment 2. Assignment 2 is a continuation part of our assignment 1. As per the assignment 2, we was told to use the Puck templates and simulate backend data using a two data sets and generate a printable A4 PDF reports. I have implemented two forms as you can see here. Medical and travel expense request and a worker progress reports. Uh, before going to the demo of the tech part, I'll explain the project structure. Here I have used uh, uh, index.html contains the basic page structure, and style.css contains the style and A4 print rules, and script.js contains all the application logics and worker datasets, and Puck templates .js contains the readable Puck templates and mixers. And now I'm going to explain about Puck template. Where it was one of the major requirements from the assignment to use Puck templates. Puck is a template engine that allows us to create a HTML is a reusable way instead of writing a repetitive HTML code. In this project, I have created reusable mixtures and for components such as headers, footers, writing lines, and tables. And now I'm going to explain you about how the data is auto-filled in the web pages. Now I'll open the script.js file. Yeah. Yeah, another important requirement was to simulate a backend data. Since it was a browser only project, I simulated the backend data using JavaScript objects. I have created two data sets, one is from my name Shreyas and another one is William. You can see here. Each dataset stores the information related to the worker name, claim number, medical records, and return to the work details and all. Instead of entering the data manually, the application reads the selected workers datasets and automatically replaces it with it on the screen. Yeah, and I also use the render. It's here. Yeah. I also use the render form at a JavaScript file to fetch the data from the JavaScript files to the web page. Now I'm going to demonstrate that the forms. Yeah, here it's a this form is a combination of two forms. One is a medical and travel expense, and one is a worker report progress. Yeah, as you see, you can select the worker here. One is William and one is Shreyas. I'll select my name Shreyas through dropout. Yeah, switching to edit mode, we can switch any data as required. I can delete a row, I can add a row, and I can also edit a row. I'll add a prescription drugs like Dolo 650, and I also mentioned the date. Doctor name, and the amount paid, around 90 rupees. And same credit operations can be done in the rows below, and I can also delete a row and I can edit it like that. Yeah. After finishing, we switch to the view mode, where the updated data is simulated in the page and also download there. Yeah, you can download the data here. it's downloaded. And coming to the next part of a page, it's a worker progress report. The and here also the same procedure follows, and but the different form. I'll select the worker from dropping of the work, worker column. I'll select William, where I can change and edit the data, required dates and all. Switch to the edit mode. Yeah, here I can change the date like 18 and something all, and I can select the required column, required option. I can add anything here. Yeah, I can add the date. After finishing the every requirements, after filling the blanks that we have needed, after filling all this, we can move to the download option. And I missed one thing that and in a footer when the page gets refreshed, it automatically stores the time and the date of the current time, which is used in the recent times majorly. And after switching to the read mode, it's a view mode, I'll download the PDF. Yeah. It's downloaded. Yeah. To conclude with this project, satisfies all the assignment requirements. I used reusable plug templates, simulated backend data, and dynamic rendering, and browser-based JS, and A4 PDF printing. Working on this project helped me to improve on my understanding of modular front-end development, and template reviews, and dynamic data rendering. Thank you. I'm happy to answer